All right, everybody. Sensei Lance here again with Sensei Alejandro. Today, what we're going to be covering is we are going to be covering clinch knees. Clinch knees. Now, this right here, I wouldn't really recommend this for abduction prevention. Like if somebody's trying to grab you, somebody a lot bigger is trying to grab you, put you in their car or something, manhandle you. I wouldn't recommend this move. But this one is great for anti-bullying, okay? Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be throwing clinch knees. Now, these are very powerful techniques, all right? Today, to practice these, I'm going to be having the Tide pads on. We just discussed this in a past video. Okay, so I'm going to have the Tide pads on. I'm going to show you the proper way to hold the Tide pads for the clinch knees, and then of course we're going to talk about the technique of the clinch knees, because the footwork here is the most important thing. It can be a little intricate and take some practice. Okay, now as far as holding the Tide pads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one Tide pad, I'm going to put it right here across my stomach. All right, notice how it's facing down. The other one, I'm going to take the edge of it, I'm going to lay it right here next to my arm on the other pad, and from here I'm going to hold it nice and tight. And if you notice, I just kind of created a kind of a belly pad. I got this big shield right here of padding right here on my belly now. Okay? Now, for the clinch knees, this is what we're going to do. From here, the first thing Sensei wants to do is he wants to get control of my head. So what he's going to do is he's going to overlap his hands around my neck. Just like that. Now notice he's not intertwining his fingers. He's not doing that. I see a lot of people try. Here, show them what I mean by intertwining your fingers. That is a no-no. That is bad because that's a very weak grip. Show them what I do once, Sensei. Right there, cupping. Okay? Now from here, what he's going to do is I'm holding the pads. He is going to wrap around. He's going to anchor. Notice he's anchoring his forearms around my neck to control my head. And from here, he's going to use his hips and his kneecap. Okay, now from here, watch. He's going to throw one knee. Bang! Just like that. Now, that is the knee that we've discussed in past videos. We've got another video on how to do that knee. This is where things get a little different. Okay, so from here, we're right here. He is going to throw his knee. Notice, he's using the back leg. He's going to throw that knee, and when he does, it goes straight down to the floor, kind of like the way this one is. And then that one's going to go back. And then, that way he's going to get more power in that one. Okay? It almost looks like you're running in place when you do it properly. Okay, so here we go. From here, nice and slow. From here, he's going to knee, down and back. Knee, down and back. Knee, down and back. Okay? Now, notice how the footwork was so intricate there. All right? Now, the best way to do this is I want you to practice slow at first. Remember, one of our mottos, slow and correct is better than fast and wrong. Now, once he gets that footwork down, this is where Sensei can really start throwing some leather, or start throwing those knees, I should say. All right, so we're here. Now, go ahead, Sensei, show me. Very, very powerful techniques, all right? These are great for self-defense and for anti-bullying. I highly recommend them. Remember, get your pad holder. You can also do these on a heavy bag. You can do them on Bob or the striking mannequin or whatever you want to do them on. This is just a great technique. Remember, hips and kneecap. Hips and kneecap. One more time, Sensei. Let's. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Practice that one at home. Let's